Dimensions provide a way to categorize the information stored within the cubes of a model. They provide any number of ways to add up said information in reports and visualizations. To create a dimension in MODLR, let's open our model that we created earlier. Creating a dimension in MODLR is simple. From the top right of our model page, click on Actions and choose New Dimension. Provide a name for the dimension and select its type. The listed types are some of the commonly used dimension types, which when used, provide a set of default hierarchies that help us in creating a model quicker. Using the type standard creates a dimension without hierarchies. This is useful when we want to define a dimension and its hierarchies from the ground up. For now, we will create a time dimension. As we can see, there are various hierarchies that were automatically created. Dimension hierarchies are defined using tab spaces. At any point in time, the hierarchies can be altered, or new hierarchies can be created by going to Actions and clicking New Hierarchy.